Okay, today we're going to learn how to do a really key painting. It's a sunset, a simple sunset with an ocean and dolphin silhouettes and palm tree silhouettes. Now this is the kind of thing that if you're painting on a boardwalk somewhere, boy, does this sell really good. And it's a really good beginner painting too. It's impressive and it's easy. So let me tell you what you need to do it, or what I used. You could use whatever colors you've got, but I used Montana. I used Montana blue, Montana black, Montana white, and for the sunset I used Montana yellow, Montana orange, and Montana red. And the tools I used a fan brush to make our palm trees, and I used a spatula to make the highlights and the birds, and I used a paintbrush to make the dolphin silhouettes. And of course your poster board that you're working on, I use white poster board, and my mask, make sure that you're protected from spray paint vapors, and ventilation system or paint outdoors, or make sure you're not breathing it. Alright, so let's make a sunset with some dolphins. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make my sun. And it's going to go right there. And then I'll spray a little bit of yellow on the top, a little bit of orange in the middle, and a little bit of red on the bottom. And that's all I need to make a nice bright sun. Put my plate on top. And now I'm going to make the sky around it. So I want my sky to go from darker colors to lighter colors. So I'm going to start with a dark kind of a maroon color along the very top of the sky. And notice how the maroon color goes right down to the very tip of the sun, which is that yellowy color. So there'll be a nice contrast there. And then the next color I'm going to use is a dark red. And then I'm going to use my orange down by the horizon. So the lighter colors in the sun are next to the darker colors in the sky, and the darker colors in the sky are next to the lighter colors in the sun. And then all I need to do to create an ocean is take another piece of poster board or some kind of a straight edge and put some blue paint on the bottom part of the painting, protecting the top of the painting with my poster board or whatever I've got. So I'm just covering it with dark blue paint. Cover it all up with dark blue paint. And then all I need is a little bit of white on top of that. And I'm focusing it in the center mostly of the painting, but I'm putting it a little bit everywhere. And then with my finger, I'm going to blend all that in. I'll use a little bit of transparent if it's you know, kind of hot and dry out, but you might not need it. Just blend those two colors together with your finger, going back and forth, drag it back and forth. And you have a beautiful sunset over an ocean. That simple. And we're almost done already. So I'm going to draw in some palm trees and some dolphins with my black paint. Just silhouettes, because in a sunset you would see these things as silhouetted in front of the light. So I only need to draw them in black with not so much detail. So I draw the trunks of my palm tree. And then I draw the fronds. I just mark in where the fronds go, and then I fill the leaves in. My trunks don't always have to be straight. Nature makes all kinds of weird shapes. And I can put some shadowy kinds of foliage coming in from the side, so that it doesn't look like the palm trees are coming out of nowhere. And it's all framing the center of the painting where the sun and the ocean is shining. Now I'm going to put some dolphins in, and all I need is their silhouettes. And if you become a member of Spray Paint Art Secrets, we have a video on how to draw dolphins. But it's very simple to draw their silhouettes. Just Google dolphin silhouettes and you'll see lots of them and practice them. Or you can become a member and check out the How to Draw Dolphins video, and we show you how to do really natural, beautiful looking dolphins there. But it's quite a long video. I can't explain it in this one. Often the dolphins look real nice when they're kind of jumping together. So I draw one overlapping the tail of the other. And there they are, silhouetted in front of the sun. Only took a few minutes and we have a gorgeous painting. And you can do it too. Okay, so just to wrap this up, I'm going to put some highlights in those palm trees. So I'm going to use my spatula to just accent the edges. Just give a little bit of highlights to the palm trees. And maybe add some coconuts. Not a lot of light because it's pretty dark out. Just where the sun would hit the edge of it. And again, drawing with the spatula takes a little bit of practice. In the Spray Paint Art Secrets members area, we have all kinds of spatula exercises and ways that you can learn to use your spatula much more fluidly and easier. But you can get a good idea from watching this video about how much you could do, and you can just go fiddle with it and try it. So there you have it, a beautiful sunset with dolphins. Go make it, enjoy. Bye, ciao.